So we just peeled off this plastic with the help of this knife. I'm sorry, the scissor. Now we're just going to unwrap it and see what is in there. As you guys have seen my new PC, which I bought, and refurbished. So it doesn't have the Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, none of that. Okay, so no problem. We've got this modem to get the things done, because in today's time the Wi-Fi is very much necessity, and Bluetooth as well. So when I listen to the music, I don't want to disturb others, so I can use my Bluetooth headset. And it's very difficult for me to bring the Ethernet at the place where I put my desktop. So in that case, this wireless device comes very handy. Okay, so we'll just quickly unwrap it, and here's the device. It's really very slick and slim. As you can see that the device looks very good. The it looks like gold color. Okay, so it's better to put it on USB 3.0 so get a better result. Okay, so let's check it. Today we're going to unbox this modem, wireless modem from TP-Link. It costs only $9.99. It comes also with 3-year warranty. Now the benefit of this is that you get wireless Wi-Fi and Bluetooth both in one modem, so you don't need to put two separate modems. You can get it done with one modem. Now it costs $9.99. If you go by the two separate modem, it costs the same, and it has very good reviews. So we're just quickly going to unbox it, and we'll just see how good is the quality, and we will take it from there. So the packaging is very good, and the brand warranty, like TP-Link is a very good brand. So we just try to open it, and we will show you guys quickly. Let's just unwrap it. In my computer, as you can see now, there is no Wi-Fi. Okay, so we just need to get the Wi-Fi done. All right, so let's just put the dongle and see if this works, or it does. We have to put any drivers from outside. All right, let's just check it. So in our PC's 3.0 slot, we'll just put this Wi-Fi dongle. Okay, and we'll check on the screen. So as you can see, there's a light in here, it's blinking, so it should be working. Let's see. Installation guide, it comes with it, so we just go through it and follow the step, so we can get it done. So let's see what do we have to do. You can see the Bluetooth is already available, so it's getting available right now as soon as I put it in there. Okay, that's good. We'll just try to fix the Wi-Fi. So it will come with a CD in the package. I'll try to show you. So it comes with a CD. So but if you don't have the CD driver in it in your computer, in that case we need to just put it on there, the internet. You need to get the help of internet and put the drivers, install the drivers. So let's just see, let's get it done. As soon as drivers are installed, it should go right, because right now, as you can see, I don't see any wireless network or anything, so Wi-Fi is not there. Let's just see. Okay, so as you can see, as soon as I put it in there, it automatically detects the Wi-Fi, so you don't need to put the driver separately, so it gets connected. So it's good. Let's just connect to the internet, and we'll see how much speed we get. So we'll turn it to the 5G. Modem should be able to give you 433 Mbps on 5G and 200 Mbps on 2.4G, and it supports Bluetooth 4.2. So that's a good thing. And as you can see, TP-Link is world's first, #1. So no problem. So as I can see that my internet has been connected. We'll just go to and test it. As you can see, my internet has been connected here. So if we just go and check on the internet, like what is the speed there, so we'll be easily get a review of this. So let's go. Please do support to my channel. So just do the speed test. So we'll just do the speed test, and we'll see how much speed we get. Now my plan is somewhere around 60 Mbps. and it's easily giving you the 53 Mbps speed, which is good. And this is pretty much what I get in my mobile and my laptop. So cheers to this. But what I would say, it's a very good product. I would suggest it, and it's worth the money. $1,000 is good. Thank you guys. If you guys like my video, please do subscribe to my channel and do support me. Thank you. Bye.